Earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals faster with online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site varies in availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so choose wisely based on your preferences. When selecting survey sites, consider factors such as reputation, survey frequency, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, leveraging free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Follow best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software for a seamless survey-taking experience. Watch out for warning signs of potential scams such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, and requests for private information. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate and typically take 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Participate in surveys today and contribute to valuable market research and consumer feedback while earning money on the side.